Year-old female presents with a severe acute abdominal pain on examination. She is pyrexial, that is having fever, tachycardic, that is her pulse is increased, and peritonitic, that is there is a tender abdomen. An erect chest X-ray is performed as a part of her assessment, and this is her X-ray image. Now we will go towards its interpretation. As we can see, this is a trachea which is central in position, and here is on the right side this clearly outlined hemidiaphragm due to the air in the lung and free intra-abdominal gas. Same on the left side, clearly outlined hemidiaphragm is present due to the air in the lung and free intra-abdominal gas. There is a demarcation line between two gaseous areas. In the lungs, presence of gas is normal, but in the intra-abdominal region, the presence of gas is abnormal. Finding is a pathological, and it is mainly due to the perforation of any viscus. If we look closely, then we can see surgical clips on the X-ray, and here is the subdiaphragmatic luiscency in keeping with the free intra-abdominal gas. Rest of the lungs are normal. There is a normal hilar lung markings. The patient is not rotated, and the cardiac size is normal and normal mediastinum. Coming towards the presentation of the X-ray, this is a PHS X-ray of an adult. The patient is slightly rotated. You can see the patient is slightly rotated at the right costophrenic angle, and otherwise it's a technically adequate X-ray. There is adequate penetration and inspiration. The most striking abnormality is the marked radiolucency below the diaphragm. Both hemidiaphragms are clearly demarcated. These findings are consistent with the large pneumoperitoneum. Trachea is central. The heart size and the cardiac and mediastinal contours are normal. Lungs are clear. No pleural effusion are visible. There are clear costophrenic and cardiophrenic angles are present. Bones and visualized soft tissues are normal. There are surgical clips projected over the left lower zone in keeping with the previous breast surgery. In summary, the presence of his erect chest X-ray is consistent with the large volume of free subdiaphragmatic gas. Given the clinical presentation, I suspect the underlying cause is a perforated viscus, and an urgent surgical review is required. So this was the interpretation and presentation and further clinical plan of a patient presented with the acute abdominal pain and with the X-ray findings of subdiaphragmatic gas.